Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with another daily trade recap on today, September 3rd, 2009. Just a few trades today. Let me show you my trade box here. First two were pre-leader longs. Third one was a fat finger short. Let's look at the pre-leader longs first. SVA, I shouldn't have played. I actually played it right after the open, literally just a few seconds after the open. It didn't do anything and I got out quickly, which was a smart move because it fell most of the rest of the day. So, and I actually ended up making $4 on that. But the important thing was to get out to minimize the risk of losses. Then we have OXM here, which is a nice pre-leader long. I was slow because I was busy playing with SVA. I didn't get in until 16.8. Better trader or quicker trader could have gotten in maybe 16.4, 16.5 and had almost a buck up to 17.3. I sold right about at the top as soon as it started looking a little weak before it actually started falling, and made a nice $100, 3%, not bad. The interesting trade of the day was IPII, and this is one I messed up. Let's enlarge that. Went vertical from 1.6 up to 3. It actually hit a high of 350 up here, but it had some serious volume right around 3. I had an order ready to short there. I didn't short because I was just afraid. That's the problem with this trading strategy, is you have to risk some serious losses if you want to get some gains. So it is higher risk, but it also has higher potential reward. If I had shorted at 3, I could have quickly covered at 240, which would have been a nice 60-cent or 20% gain. Unfortunately, I shorted right here at 240 and covered here after it looked like it wasn't going to go down anymore. So these ones, they don't have to fade back to their pre-spike price. What will either happen is they'll fade back to just above their pre-spike price, or whoever bought a bunch to start the spike in the first place will keep buying. So after it didn't do much for this whole length of time here, when it broke above the range it was trading in, let's say right here, when it broke above 250 there, that would have been a pretty good time to buy. You already know there's interest in buying this stock, so it's a little bit of a breakout. You buy that and you could have made an easy 60 cents or so. So that's another way to play these. One thing I should point out though, these trades, high risk, potential high reward, but they don't come around very often. So if you're reading my blog, watching this video, this isn't the kind of thing that you should pay the most attention to learning. Once you're a full-time day trader and doing everything else, sure, this is a nice type of trade to add to your trade toolkit, but this is not my bread and butter, and it's nobody's bread and butter. So don't obsess over it. And if you miss them, that's fine. You could do a lot better learning how to trade the pre-leader longs, which is something I can't do very well. Look here, total profit $241, a weighted average profit margin of 0.4%. So I'm still doing only slightly better than break even on these pre-leader long trades. So again, that's something I'm going to keep trying to do. And also, this is a reason why I keep saying track all your trades. If you don't track your trades, you won't know how you're doing, and you won't know whether you should do more of it or not. So anyway, a decent day. I did some bad things, and I still made a $40. So hey, it's good when you don't lose money even on a bad day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.